What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the ClearCryptos education channel with me, T. Haas from the Crypto Shop. And of course, you know, I brought my man Jay Seals with me. What's up, bro?
What's up? What's up, everybody? Hope you're having an amazing Thursday.
Absolutely, absolutely. Hey, listen, guys, this is the Clear Cryptos channel, but we wanted to stop by here and give you a quick market update on everything that was affecting the markets today. It's going to be really quick. We don't want to hold you too long. We know you got things to take care of. So, Justin, go ahead and take us to the biggest story of the day.
Okay, so today the wholesale inflation fell by 0.5% in July, and another sign that price increases are slowing down. So the overall price of everything is going down, and that's great for the market. The producer price index, also called the PPI, is a gauge of final demand wholesale prices, and that decreased by 0.5% in July due to a slide in energy prices. The year-over-year gain was 9.8%. Now, the annual increase was the lowest since October 2021, and the monthly move was the first decline since April 2020. And also, don't forget that the jobless claims rose to 262,000 last week, just below the estimate. So overall, we're getting good numbers in the market, and that's helping us test higher prices. I'm going to throw it back to Hobbs to get our next story.
Now, looking over to Ethereum, why is Ethereum pumping? Multiple reasons. However, this is the biggest one. Ethereum's following the macroeconomics of the markets like Justin just spoke about, which makes perfect sense. But also, you have to be aware that Ethereum merge is scheduled to launch in September. They already completed their last test, or they're in the process of completing their last test of three. And when this test is completed, this should mark the last and final time that they're testing Ethereum 2.0 before they officially launches it. It says here that barring any final hurdles, Ethereum will merge its proof of work mainnet and proof of stake beacon chain between September 15th and 16th, moving the network onto a proof of stake consensus mechanism. Very, very big for the Ethereum blockchain. This will create an extensive amount of attention on Ethereum. Just because I'm reading it here on cryptonews.net, which is a very smaller website. However, we've seen this on larger news block platforms such as CNBC as well. So this is catching some very, very good attention. So we'll see how that affects the price. The brother, Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin is also receiving some large attention. BlackRock Bitcoin Fund launch sends BTC price towards 25K. Basically, this is BlackRock starting their own private investment chain into Bitcoin, issuing that private ETF, gearing up to bring more and more eyes to the project or to Bitcoin as a whole. Says it right here, silvered on BlackRock, here comes Wall Street. Not just news itself, but that it signals to some the water is fine, and to others, if they don't offer their clients BTC, they'll get the lunch late. And then lastly, this is what I thought was very, very interesting. It was Ripple interested in buying up Celsius assets. Now, everybody's familiar with XRP. You know, we've been in court with the government for quite some time. However, what this is starting to show me is there's a little bit of a trend happening. The bigger, more powerful companies are starting to absorb the companies that, quote unquote, failed during the bear market. Just because they failed doesn't mean that they're completely out of business. It means that they're on sale. Some of these larger companies are looking at them and looking to try to move in and make a larger, bigger, more powerful company in one. So very, very bullish for the space, in my opinion, cleaning up some of the BS that's out there and making it into one particular platform. And then last but not least, Justin's going to take us through a overall brief of the charts today.
Okay, so the last thing we got to look at is the charts, because what is it talking to T Hobbs and J Seals if we didn't look at the charts, right? So we look at Bitcoin on the day, and we just top ticked 24,921, so close to 25K, but couldn't quite get there. And now it looks like Bears are a little bit in control again and pushing the price down. However, I don't think it'll last too long. I think Bulls will wake back up and continue pushing the price up. Ethereum, pretty much same story. We hit 1942, getting so close to that 2K mark, and people are taking profits. You can see we had a huge green candle yesterday on ETH. I mean, that's massive. And then now today, we're still pushing up, still looking great. Charts are looking beautiful. It's looking like this bull run is going to be here to stay for just a bit longer, maybe longer than that. Who knows? But that was the news. So I'm going to throw it back to T Hobbs for our outro.
Absolutely, absolutely. So thank you guys so much for joining us on a brief overview of the market today. Hope this was helpful. Let us know down in the comments what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the ClearCryptos education channel. I hope to see you guys again on the next one. But my name is T Haas from the Crypto Shop. That man above is Jay Seals, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.